Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Mame Inu token. Now before I start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, Mame Inu, before fake hype and capsules took over, there was Doge planet, home of real meme culture. When it fell, Baby Doge and Floki saved one survivor, Mame Inu, the last Shiba. Now he has awakened in a world that forgot what memes were mean to he. Now he has awakened in a world that forgot what memes were meant to be. Mission save meme culture. Meme Inu token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is also 1 billion. Meme token. Meme token is listed on Lbank, PancakeSwap V2 and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you in this project, up to 65% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.